Good morning YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. Now, if you guys haven't watched the video, the latest vlog that I did yesterday of the collab with Pao, the Ukay boss or the Ukay lord, link down below, check it out. It's a very fun video. Now, today is going to be special because today is all about picking my winnings. Woohoo! I won the raffle for the Justin Timberlake Jordan 3 over at Titan. So I will be going over to Titan at the fort to pick it up. I am very excited because this is the first time I ever won something from Titan. I've joined all of the raffles in the last few months, from the off-white Jordan 1s to the Jordan 1, you know, the 3 suede colors and all the other stuff. First time to win. There's always a first time for everything. Win. Woohoo! To claim, I have the Premi card, I have my trusty passport, and I have the receipt paying for the Jordan 3 that I bought to be able to qualify for the Premi raffle. Whew. Titan doesn't open actually until 11 a.m. over at the fort, so we have some time to kill. So prior to that, let's just get some things out of the way. Sneakers of the day, I'm going to go with the Nike Vapor Max Premier Flyknit. This is a new pair that I copped from Soul Academy over at BGC. Thank you to sila Boss Jojo for hooking me up with this pair. Paid for this, not sponsored by the way, just making that clear. So this one is special to me because this is probably the most comfortable and the best Vapor Max that I've ever worn and that I've ever seen. I'll do a complete review on this one in a few days, so please do watch out for that when it drops. I also want to give a quick shout out to the cool guys over at Proppy Philippines. I really love their products. This is one of their socks. This is the Proppy Philippines, well, flag socks. So the flag peeks out at the back of your ankle. Really cool. Not sponsored also by Proppy, but they do send me stuff occasionally. So thank you to the guys over at Proppy Philippines. I appreciate it. This is the part where I remind you guys to subscribe because we are giving away a brand new Pure Boost the moment we hit 40,000 subscribers. Subscribe now. Follow me on IG. Now, before we check out of the hotel and go to work, because it's a work day and I'm just on a short staycation, I just want to share with you guys the haul that I had over the weekend. I did some sneaker shopping during the holidays, so I picked up 3 sneakers and I just want to share with you guys what they were. The Skechers Haven Edge. This is ridiculously comfortable. I tried wearing it the other day or yesterday, and it is by far one of the most comfortable sneakers that you can get for under 4,000 pesos. When it comes to comfort and practicality and the value of money that you put in terms of the comfort, Skechers is one of the best brands that you guys can really turn to. By the way, I saw that Seth Fowler picked up the Skechers Sketch Air. That's the Skechers Vapor Max like knockoff. I am excited to watch his review because I did a review of that a few weeks ago. I'll put the link down below. And I mentioned that they felt that it's actually more comfortable than the original Vapor Max. I am excited to see what Seth has to say about it. Next up, I picked up something from Reebok. So this is I don't know how to pronounce it. Rapide? Rapid? Mew? Rapide? Rapid? So, woo! I mean, seriously, look at that. That is a sick design. You have suede paneling, you have mesh here in the middle, the Reebok logo, and I just love how they did the crisscrossing of the reds with the blues and the grays. This one is one sick shoe. And lastly, we have New Balance. This is a sneaker that I've been hunting for the longest time. This is the New Balance 990 in gray, and it looks so classic, so timeless. I mean, seriously, guys. I mean, I'm just at a loss for words for how beautiful this thing is. Thank you to the guys over at New Balance at Glorieta. Maraming salamat po. You guys rock for making this happen and for finding this pair for me. I really appreciate it. Oh, apparently I'm now a New Balance VIP member. So, so that's it for the staycation. I will be leaving the hotel in a bit to go to work. And during the break time, I don't know, maybe either lunchtime or later in the afternoon, I'll go out and pick up the Justin Timberlake Jordan 3s, and I'll take you guys along with me. See you in a minute. nandito tayo ngayon sa Titan, sa Fort. So nakuha ko na. Ito yung Justin Timberlake na Jordan 3, 12,000 something pesos. Woo! Win! Unboxing later when I get home. And we're home. And as you guys can see, we have the box here of the Jordan 3 Justin Timberlake Bio Beige. Man, I was just so excited to be able to finally pick this up. I love the design when I first saw it online. As you guys know who've been following me on this channel, I'm a huge fan of brown and suede. And this sneaker, man, it just captures a lot of the things that I want in shoes. It just captures a lot of the things that I want in sneakers. So this one, immediately when I saw it, I knew that if I couldn't win it in a raffle, I would probably buy it for resale. So that's why I'm so thrilled. I'm so happy to be able to win my first raffle. The first raffle that I would ever win from Titan would be a pair of sneakers that I really want. That said, there is absolutely no chance that I would end up selling this one. This is something that would be worn out, would be used, and would be thoroughly abused. Let's do a quick unboxing. So as you guys can see, the cover of the box is not your typical Jordan box. This is actually, of course, based off Justin Timberlake's album Man of the Woods, which is very similar to the music video as well as the album cover. You have the Jumpman logo here at the middle. If you go to the side, you have the usual information of sneakers. I got this in size 13. I usually go either half a size or a full size up from Jordan 3s. I want a little bit more of room just so I'm far more comfortable with it, because the size 12 was kind of a bit snug if I go through to size. So let's just pop this box open. Ooh. So we have a wrapper in green, which is again very similar in theme to the Man of the Woods album of Justin Timberlake. You have the logo of JTH, and then you have, wow, you have the sneakers. And man, do they look insanely good in person. Wow, guys, I did not expect it to look this great. I mean, the pictures do not do this pair any justice at all. This looks absolutely sick. Let's go through some initial observations. So, for the upper, and pardon the excitement, I'm really happy with this pair. So the upper, they removed the leather, they replaced it with some sort of very premium and very plush suede. Smells really good. that was kind of weird. But anyway, so yeah, you have suede here in the upper. You still have that high quality leather here at the bottom, especially with that elephant skin print here at the bottom as well as here at the back. You have the Jumpman logo here at the tongue, and then you have, oh wow, wait, I didn't notice this. The laces, the default laces, are actually made of leather. So these are leather laces, but you have an extra pair of flat laces in brown, and you also have flat laces in orange. So you have 3 sets of laces that you can pick from: the leather brown one, the orange one, or the brown flat laces. So what else is here? Along the medial side, it says here higher. This is actually based off, or at least the product or the shoes is based off Justin Timberlake's song Higher Higher, which is actually dedicated to his wife. And the reason why it's dedicated to his wife, based on his based on his interview, was there actually, oh there you go, there are actually 2 statements that are hidden in the insoles, which kind of sums up why relationships are the most important thing for Justin Timberlake. So the first saying that you guys can see here is fame is a lie. And the second statement you guys can see here is stress is cruel. So what it's basically saying is, at the end of the day, money will fade away, careers will fade away, fame will fade away, but your relationships with the most important people, the people that you love the most, your wife, your family, will be the one constant. So those are the things that you have to take care of. So man, these aren't just shoes, guys. This is a friggin' love letter from Justin Timberlake to his wife. Woo, sweet. But anyway, apart from that, 2 more things. I love how they put yellowish accents along the eyelets of the up middle part of the sneaker. So you have that in a bit yellowish or neon green. Then you have the signatures of Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield here at the back of the tongue. Now, just like the first iteration of the Justin Timberlake Jordan 3s or Jordan 3 JTH, which came out during his Super Bowl halftime performance, this is based on the original sketch of the Jordan 3 of Tinker Hatfield before it became like a Jordan brand thing, which really, was such a historic silhouette back then. It's just amazing that when Justin Timberlake and, Nike collaborated, they ended up working on such an iconic silhouette, and Tinker Hatfield still had something new, something fresh to be able to bring to the market today. And those are the things why I am so excited with this pair. I love the look, I love the style, I love the message behind it of higher, higher. I love the fact that it's a love letter to his wife. I love what it stands for, and just being able to see such an iconic silhouette, an iconic shoe as the Jordan 3 have a deeper story with the original design was just really mind-blowing. So all of those things combined, for me, makes this such an excellent pickup. Now, just a quick note to those who are bitter, this is really the first time that I was able to win anything from Titan. So please don't think that it was something that was rigged, or it was something that I asked for, it was something that I talked to them for. I bought a pair of a Jordan 3 over there. I did a video on that before to be able to join the Premier Raffle. I bought a lot of shoes before just to be able to qualify for raffles. And it just feels absolutely insanely good to be able to finally win a pair, and especially the pair that I wanted the most for the year. So that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I have one last treat, especially for you guys who've decided to watch until the very end of this video. This is a sneaker that I haven't shown on the channel yet. I actually haven't even posted it on Instagram. I actually got this a few weeks ago. Somebody from Japan was able to pick it up and bring it here to the Philippines. This will be probably a Grail level type of sneaker, and I didn't expect that I would end up copying it, much less having it in this collection. I won't name the name, but I'll just show you guys what it is, and this will give you a clue to what the next video will be, or at least the video will be for this coming weekend. I plan to unbox this officially on this channel, maybe Saturday, Friday, who knows. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a sneak peek. So let's take a look at what's inside. So as you guys can see, it's a Pharrell Williams shoe. But this is not the solar pack. This is not some motherland Jejemon sneaker. Sorry about that. I really hated the fact that they put numbers. I love the Inspire Empower, but man, I hated the fact that they used numbers. Man, Pharrell, you could have just used the real letters and it would have been so much sicker. But anyway, so let's take a look at what's inside the wrapper. Ooh, what? Seriously? Ooh, look at that. Well, the light isn't doing it justice, so I have to turn down the light. But yeah, one more take. Look at that. Boom. And that's it for now. See you guys next time. Peace. God bless.